YouTube was good. It's your boy, Leaky Trades. First video on the channel. So I just want to take you guys through my continuation model that I use to trade. This model has helped me pass two funded accounts with risking on my funded futures. It's the only prop firm I'm trading at the moment. I do a higher time frame continuation model, so I use the 4 hour and the 1 hour to mark my charts, and then I'll go down to the 15 and the 5 just to kind of watch the narrative or go for entries. But most of the time, they're based off of the 4 hour and the 1 hour. And yeah, so I trade Nasdaq. I also trade gold and silver futures as well. Today I'll just be back testing just some quick gold buys and sells for you guys. So without further ado, just kind of get into it. So and also I use TradingView for my trading, like most people kind of do. So, but this is what I use. I also do my back testing on here. I might change to another platform in the future to kind of see, but for right now, it's just kind of what I back test with. So, but yeah, we'll just kind of get right into it. So we'll just go ahead and we'll leave this and we'll just go ahead, replay, start a new one. And then we'll go just like a random bar so you guys know it's like, okay, I don't want to do anything in 2025. We kind of know what happened in 25 for gold. So 22, cool. I'm not sure if I've traded like summer 22 yet in gold. So yeah, we'll see. So this is the 15. Let's go to the 4 hour and we will be marking our charts. Okay, boom. So let's see what we have. Actually, let me get rid of this noise. There's a lot of noise on my chart right now. I don't need these just yet. Not to mark anyway. Let's look at performance on lower lows here. I don't see recent targets on the 4 hour, at least not like notable. That is, we're just kind of in free fall right now. What time are we at? 6 p.m. Yeah, so we had that early day anyway. But let's go and mark our chart. Data high here. We're forming some lows. Let me turn on the volume indicator so I can see where our POCs are at. Yeah, POC right here, which is funny because that's exactly where we are. POC right here, which is exactly where we're reacting at. So I think it's like later in the day too, so I'm not going to do this trade. This is like 6 p.m. That's fine. I'm not seeing anything I like, so yeah, I think we'll just fast forward to the next day. So see 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. 2 a.m. and then 6 a.m. All right, so market is getting ready to open here, and then we'll see what we have going on the 1 hour. So let's see it. Nothing too crazy. We had a little bit of ranging right here. Let me turn these POCs off. A little bit of ranging right here. We had a break of structure, completely bearish, and then we broke structure when we made this high here. So now we are in a bullish narrative, even though this is like borderline crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Let's mark it open for you though. We'll just fast forward to 10 a.m. on the hour. See if I see them. Yeah, no. So we're forming a little bit of a ceiling right here. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit again. I don't really see anything I like. We're gonna need to break this level. Yeah, getting strong price reactions at this level here. I don't think there was a recent POC. Let me turn my volume indicator back on. Maybe if anything, this kind of is. And then POC currently is at this level, so it looks like we might kind of stay in this range unless we break out somehow. 1 p.m. 2 p.m. Yeah, this is just ranging for the day. We'll go to 4 p.m. and if I don't see anything I like, we'll go to the next day. Yeah, next day. That's fine. All right, so go to the next day. 6 p.m. 10, 2, and 6. Nice. Now, what's happening is we're ranging, if anything, with a low at this level. We might make a return here. I want to see us react through this. Might go for a short. So let's see it. So actually, let me mark this out because I want to see it kind of react. I'm not gonna use the candles. Yeah, there you go. And let's see. So 15-minute is certainly bearish on New York. That's fine. I don't think we have any FAGs. Turn the indicator on. Yeah, we do. Order blocks at all. Buy side, but not really so much on the sell side. Nothing crazy anyway. Okay, so I want to see this indicate through here, and then we'll try to go for some shorts. We did not break through there. Look at the 5. Look at this wick. Oh, we can't even go to the 5 on this. It's too far back. That's tough. That's fine. Um, let's see. We're at 10 a.m. It's still very early for New York, so I mean, I could look for targets above. Let's see what 1 hour targets we have. Order block. Another one here. Oh, that's a fat one though. Pause. Hmm. Yeah, I just don't like what I'm seeing, to be honest. Yeah, wasn't really liking what I was seeing there. Okay, so very choppy structure, very decisive break. I don't like this tail though. Let me get one more candle, see what happens. Yeah, double candled up. Yeah, those wicks are fighting right now. We're getting a retracement. If we can get some sort of reversal like that, we'll just go ahead and just go for. I'm gonna go for something small. I don't really like the narrative right now, but I do like the fact that we are just kind of coming down to the downside here. We might just target. Nah, yeah, I'm not gonna target that. We'll just go for something very, very slight, like super slight. So we'll sell here. TP, bam, bam, and we'll just run this. Brother, what the fuck? Okay, yeah, I probably should have just targeted that, but that's fine. So we made our trade for the day. We'll fast forward to the next day. So that's one trade done. I'll get like, I don't know, like between like 4 and 5 trades here for you guys. Um, we're still in this day. I don't know. Do we have any targets on that downside? Not recent anyway. Holy, it definitely not recent. We hit another POC. Next one is all the way down here. I'll mark this up for next day, this POC, because we might react at that level. But as for right now, I mean, it's 10 a.m. We're still early in the day, actually. But we already took our trade for the day, so let's go to the next one. I want to be too greedy. One trade a day is fine. Um, 2, and we are at 6. Oh, we did actually slap this. Well, that's fine. And let's see, 2 a.m., 6 a.m. Oh, wow. Yeah. 4% knowing that was going to happen, but we're in free fall, so you never really know what's going to happen, to be honest. We had a lot of ranging at this level, so very, very important, likely for later. This is just nonstop with zero corrections at all. So no, I don't want to trade this, to be honest with you. We're just kind of in free fall, especially at 9 a.m. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I kind of figured this was gonna happen. We were gonna return here, so we did correct. Do we have any higher targets? Not really. I'm gonna need for us to break this level before we go for any serious longs, because the narrative is still very much so bearish. Or if I see a nice structure chain here, then we might just use this as a target. But for right now, no. Return back to here. Yeah. So we are forming a retracement. We are coming back up slowly. Let's fast forward this a little bit. We are flag staffing very bad. We're just consolidating in this range. Yeah, we're just consolidating. If we consolidate until like 4 p.m., then I might just leave this alone. Yeah, we are. Yeah, consolidation at 4 p.m. Yeah, we'll go to the next day. That's okay. We need to make a trade here. That's fine. We are at, this is 2 p.m. on the hour. What's 6 p.m. on the hour? The 4 hour look like? If it'll let me fast forward. Okay. Yeah, nothing remarkable. So, next day. So, that's 10, 2 a.m. and 6. Dude, most of the motion on gold happens like legit while I'm like fast. Like, this is 2 a.m. by the way. That's 2 a.m. I'd be dead asleep by then, but I'm not looking at the charts. All right, that's 6. That is crazy work, not gonna lie. So Ranging again, dude. I don't like any of this, bro. This is just like so indecisive. It's kind of crazy. That's 9. Oh, okay. So we actually reach back up and tap this level at 10 a.m. So that's a good sign because then we might end up reversing. So we actually just broke our bearish structure. Um, we could actually end up potentially targeting this again at some point in time. It's a little early in the day too. Okay, we're crawling to this level. So, okay, can we get? Let me see. Let's look at the 15. Okay, this is just crawling. Yeah, that's why. Narrative is not. It's a very weak narrative right now. We'll just fast forward this to 30. Oh my gosh, bro! I fast forwarded way too fucking much. That's crazy work. I'm not gonna lie. All right, well, damn. Okay. We're kind of late to the party on this trade, but that's fine. We'll just, bro. What the fuck? Hang on. I want to see what this trade where it would have been at. So we would have had our stop right here, and probably targeted this, but that's lame. I'm not gonna lie, but whatever. Um, trying to figure like where do all my stop to be at? Because like that's a fat trade. I don't like the idea of putting a trade through here. Granted, we have some fair values, but we have not reacted at these levels at any time. So let me look at the 1 hour, just get some confirmation. But yeah, I think we might have just missed this trade because I think I fast forwarded too much, bro. That's actually so tough. Okay, all good. Go back to the 15. We'll watch this. I think this is a late trade. I don't think I'm gonna trade this. I want to see us react to this level before doing anything else. Why did I mark this? This is not important right now. Um, yeah. So next target would be up here. So we'll just kind of see. Oh, retrace, double retrace. Hang on. We might be setting up for something nice. Okay, yeah, nah. Maybe it's a blessing I did fast forward. See, that's 4:30, and now we're at 4:45, and then we're at 6. Yeah, so we're flag staffing way too much. We'll just go to the next day. Bro, I think I've made like one trade so far, bro. It's actually kind of tough. I'm not gonna lie, bro. All right, let me step it up a little bit. Okay, so 6 p.m. Let's see, 10 p.m., 2 a.m., 6 a.m. Right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Hella consolidation here. I want to break out of here before I do anything. Our narrative still overall, like bias wise, is still very much so bullish overall on the 1 hour, but it looks like we might have some breaks in here. If we do have a sell side order block we could target. And then I believe that what I marked here was actually a POC from some other point in time. So, excuse me, I'm kind of like this. So we'll go to 10 a.m. and then we'll just look at the 15, see if I like what I'm seeing narratively. No, not. This could just be a retrace too, though. So we'll see. Because we did just like come down. This is a crazy grab. Yeah, just grab his fair value. Um, yeah, we could just be going back up to the upside. I keep fast forwarding way too far. No wick candle, huh? Okay. If I get like one more, I think I'd be more comfortable going towards the downside. Yeah. Okay. And we'll tighten these up. Tighten this up. Boom. And then we'll go for our short because it's looking like it just really wants to stay down there. Where's our POC? This level broke. Yeah. We're going to go for a sell here. Bam. Here and here. Confirm. And brother, that is tough as hell. Oh, that's tough. Okay, well, it is what it is. That is trading for you. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I kind of want to just watch this. What time is it? 1:30. Bro, don't tell me. Yeah, that happens. That is trading at its finest, to be honest. I could have said stop loss at these wicks, but brother, that is so unfortunate. Oh man. Okay, well that's our trade for the day. Took an L on that day. We'll fast forward a little bit, see if we can get some more for you guys. 10 p.m. We did end up coming down and filling this gap too, bro. I should. Oh my god, I should have re-entered this. I literally knew it was about to happen. I knew we were about to hit that sell side block on the 1 hour, but that's fine. 6 a.m. We just retapped the block. Are we gonna go lower? We'll see. Um, what's our trend direction? Okay, so we did break structure. Okay, so now we're forming some weird range in here. We have a recent low right here. No crazy blocks except for this one. We already tapped this though. I don't see any FVGs either. So I have these on, right? Yeah, I do. Okay, so 9 a.m. I mean, maybe we target this, but I mean, there's no real guarantee that's gonna happen. Um, yeah, we'll just fast forward, see what happens. So I think that's not enough information. That's nice, actually. That's actually very nice. I'm liking this. Go to the 15. We'll watch this a little bit more closely on the 15, even though we are ranging very bad on the 15. Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna go up here and tap this block here. I'm gonna go for a long right here. Kind of like it what I'm seeing. I'll just target this here. That's fine. And then stop loss. This will be a 1-to-1. Yeah, because we'll just go to recent correction there. We'll buy for a tire. Take profit right here. Stop loss on here. Confirm. And we'll just run this. Bam. Nice. Bro, I'm still sick about that last trade, bro. Like, I'm so sick about that, bro. Because I was right about the direction, but it just kind of like fucked us over. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is just stop loss at its finest. That's fine. Anywho, so we are retracing back out of this. We just formed a very, very nice. Let's see, new structure. So we'll get rid of that there. Don't need this. Okay, don't need this anymore either. Um, we made our trade for the day, but just kind of setting up for our next day, I guess. We have recent high. Well, yeah, more recent highs there. We did fill this block here. Very small fair value, but yeah, we'll go to the next day. I'm not even gonna waste time looking at that right now. It's 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m., 10 p.m., 2 a.m. Yep. Oh my gosh. Overnight, huh? That happens. Overnight, huh? That happens. Holy. That is tough. Okay. So 1 hour. Let's see what we're looking at. Um, higher targets. What do we have? Recent buy side block here. Another one up here. So we have like indicators that we might move up here. We have a POC up here as well. I think I'll just mark the POC. We might end up correcting at this level, but I don't see any attractive targets. Maybe there's a 4 hour gap here. Dude, this is like I can't even consider this a 4 hour gap to be honest. But I mean, I guess we could say that it kind of is. So I mean, there are some sweet spots in that level, but we haven't retraced at any point in time here recently. This is the 1 hour. Let's see. We're at 9 a.m. We're going to the 15-minute retrace. We're continuing back up. If we break this level right here, then I think I'll just go for a long. It's 9:45. We did break that level. We'll go for a long. I think I'm going to set my long just slightly above where this is at. Wait, was that a POC? Let me see. I think this was a POC at one point in time. if it loads. Yeah, it was a POC. Oh, that's pretty scary then. Yeah, I think we just go for a 1-to-1. Frankly, just knowing where that POC is at. Um, okay. Well, bye. Bam. Bam. This. This right here. That right there. So tough. Okay. Bro, this almost gave me a goddamn heart attack. I knew we were gonna tap this, but I was like, bro, this right here almost threw me off. I was almost hot. I'm not gonna lie. All right. I'll get like one more trade in for you guys, maybe one or two. Okay. So we'll zoom out, go to the 4 hour. That was my trade for the day. Oh my gosh. And then we just like back too. That's crazy. Um, let's see. This is 10 p.m. Then go to 2 a.m. Then 6. Yeah. Okay. So I knew we were gonna get a reaction at this level just because the POC was here, but I wasn't expecting this really. But that's fine. POC here too. We'll get rid of this. Mark this 4 hour POC, and then I'm thinking we might have some sell side targets. Fat fair value gap here on the 4 hour that we might go ahead and cover. Oh man, very strongly bullish narrative here too, or bearish narrative here too. This isn't really much of a 1 hour FVG, but we do have a order block at this level here too. Um, Frankly, I like what I'm seeing. Like this is like very bearish across all time frames right now. Only thing I'm not liking is that we didn't like retrace here at all. But I'm gonna fast forward to the 15. If we get a retracement, fuck, I wish I had a 5. I really wish I could like look at the 5 right now because like, bruh, so tempting to enter right there. Because like I know we're about to slap this block, bro. I know we're about to slap that block, and we just indicated through this level. What's the level again? What's this a POC? If we indicated through a POC, that's crazy work. I'm not gonna lie. No, we that wasn't a POC. Well, I don't know. I think I'll stick to my strat. Think we I don't think we trade that personally. Yeah, I don't think we trade this, frankly. And that's only because like I mean this is nice, but like we're not retracing or anything like that. I'm not really. Yeah, we just shot down like this. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on this. It's okay if we miss it. Okay, retrace. I think we're just gonna return back to this point of correction here, or point of control. This is 10:45. Okay, we're just shooting back up now. Nice. High here. So we are re-entering where we ranged at before. And we actually did creep through the POC as well. I really wish I could look at the 5 minute narrative, bro. I feel like I'm getting like an incomplete picture right now. It's 11 a.m. Fast forward a little bit. We're slowing down at these ranges. I don't know. Like I'm just I don't know. Yeah, this isn't really like good looking to me. We're retracing. It's 12. Okay, maybe we come back up. No, it's just rejected right there. No more flag staffing. What time is it? 1:15. Still enough time to make a trade. If we come right here or break right here, I think I'll just target this higher area. Yeah, we're just ranging right now. Yeah, that's fine. 3:15. Yeah, we're just ranging very bad. Even though we did break this. It's 4. We're getting close to like a session change here, so I'm gonna run this out until 6. If I don't see anything I like by 6, then it's over with. Oh my gosh, bro, look at that. And we broke this too, but it's a little bit too late in the day for me to make a trade at that point in time, so that's fine. Next day, oh brother, oh brother, dude, look at this shit, bro. This is literally what I be talking about, bro. Like, dude, I don't know. Only because I'm not on the charts like that for real. Like, I'm only trading during like New York. So that's like when I'm actually on the goddamn chart. But we did react to this POC here, so that's good for future reference. Let me clean up my chart a little bit because it's very noisy. Um, we'll zoom in, dude. Goddamn, let's make one more trade. Holy. Oh wow, POC reaction here too, or just return to the POC. So we could get a reversal back down to the downside. We have any downside targets? Um, Nothing but this low. And then we already filled this buy side block. Another buy side block. Yeah, I think we're gonna tap this block. Let me look at the 15. This is what 45 looks like. And we just retraced, came back up. I wish I could look at the 5 because after looking at this fallback retracement right here, I'm like damn near sure we're gonna tap this goddamn block, bro. But I only have the 15 right now to look at. Oh no, we're flag staffing right now. So man, if we come back down again, oh, just denied. Oh, come on, here we go. All right, I'm kind of liking this. Again, I don't really have the 5 to look at, but I'm liking how we're returning back here, and then this is like slight uh, retrace material. So we'll just go for a 1-to-1. Nothing too crazy. And then we'll just sell TP right here. Stop right here. And confirm. What time are we at? We're still at 10:40. So it's still early in the day. Okay. Oh my, we just kissed that. It's tough. Nice. Alright. How many trades are we at? Oh yeah. I'm gonna call it there. Alright, so that's a strat for y'all boys. Honestly, I feel like it's a little bit of a rougher sesh because, like, bro, we were doing some choppy shit, but that's over how many days? So May 12th, 17th, 18th, 23rd. So yeah, so the 12th through the 23rd. So that's not bad. So yeah, so that's what 10 days worth of trading. When I do trade, most of my sizes are just like they're 1-to-1 a lot of times. Sometimes they're like a 1-to-2 or a 2, or was it 1-to-2 or 2-to-1, whatever it is. Like my reward is 2, like the risk is 1, so 2-to-1 trade, and I risk 500 per trade on the prop, so that's typically around that's around about right. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty good. So 80% sesh on this one, not bad at all. Not bad at all. So, but yeah, I appreciate y'all boys watching the video. Stay tuned for more content, and yeah, y'all boys be blessed.